Welcome to Iffy Car Review. In today's episode, I'll review Japanese off-road mini SUV. It's a lot of fun car, the Suzuki Jimny. Suzuki Jimny has been around since 1970 and this shape continues since 1998. It's a basic package that combines a lightweight body on a ladder frame chassis, plenty of ground clearance and a proper four-wheel drive system that gives the buyer a kind of off-road ability that is normally associated with vehicles double or even triple the price. Now let us start with the amount of space it has to offer. The side opening door may be problematic sometimes, means if anything is parked right behind you, you may not be able to open it. Now the boot space. It's perfectly reasonable. It's small, but it's a small car then, and the car manufacturer has to obey the law of physics. You can knock down the rear seats to have more space in the rear. Now let's get to the rear seats. There are two seats in the rear. Legroom is limited and getting in and out of them is not easy. Now let's move on to the front seats. Now really getting into this thing, you must be smiling even before you jump on board because of the fact that it looks so friendly. Thankfully, there is more space for those who are up front. Visibility is excellent through the large size windows and its boxy dimension. It does have leather heated seats. Unfortunately, it does not have any adjustment for the steering wheel. It features a 660cc turbocharged dual overhead cam engine that kicks out 64 horsepower and 103 Newton meters of torque. It's not actually the size but how you use it, and the Jimny certainly knows how to make the most of what it has got. It reaches 0 to 100 in good 16 seconds with a top speed of 140 kilometers per hour, which of course you shouldn't be doing as it has not been designed for speed. Being a part-time four-wheel drive, there is no central differential or viscous coupling. Rather, it uses locking vacuum hubs to engage drive to the front wheels. And the benefit is that you can choose on the fly between rear-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, or four-wheel drive with low range. It should not be driven on normal road surfaces in four-wheel drive mode. The two-wheel drive is the default when it runs as a rear-wheel drive. When four-wheel drive is pressed, the front wheels are also engaged as a drive with high gears. The four-wheel drive L engages the front wheels as well as the low ratio gears. And that's the key to Jimny's appeal, because despite their 4x4 appearance, no other crossover in the world offers this kind of a hard work. The Jimny's short wheelbase and tight turning circle makes it very handy, allowing it to squeeze into places where bigger four-wheel drives can't simply get into. When off-road, Jimny is virtually unstoppable. Its skinny, high-profile tires, low-range gearing, and exceptionally geometry allow to traverse rough trails easily, while good suspension travel and lots of ground clearance help it climb over difficult terrain easily. Let me add up to Jimny's credentials on 19 cm of ground clearance and steep approach and departure angles, plus the fact that it has got proper ladder frame chassis. As an entry point into the SUV market or just a capable off-road companion, the Suzuki Jimny is a great place to start with. It's great value for money, and of course it's a lot of fun off-road too. If you are looking for a budget off-road vehicle, then Suzuki Jimny is well worth a look. Thank you for watching us. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please leave a comment and stay tuned for upcoming reviews of new cars.